Hi everyone, today we are in Module 3 of Level E. We are on Lesson 10, so please turn to page 45 to follow along and take notes. Today is a hands-on guided discovery, so you're going to use modeling division using base 10 pieces. So you can use either the online version of the base 10 pieces or you can ask your teacher for the ones in class. So as a reminder, here's a little fact family. We have 2 times 4 equals 8. 4 times 2 also equals 8. Then 8 divided by 4 is 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. All right, if we have 46 divided by 2, we have 10, 20, 30, 40. There's 4 base 10 pieces. Excuse me. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. Well, to divide it in 2, you make 2 groups, just like they did here, and then divide the pieces evenly. And you can see that there are 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So very easy to see visually. Here we have 39 divided by 3. 10, 20, 30, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you make 3 groups, 1, 2, 3 groups, and then divide the pieces evenly in each group. So there's 1, 10, and then 1, 2, 3 ones, which is 13. Here we have 72 divided by 4. So we have, you make the number first, and then you regroup the tens rods as 31s blocks, because if you have 4 groups, okay, you take 3 of the tens rods and make them 30. Make it 31. So now here we have 40 plus 32. So then what you do now you can divide it evenly between the 4 groups. So you have you put each of these tens rods into the group. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can split this into 4, because 32 divided by 4 equals 8. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces, or ones in each group. So the answer would be 10, and then 8 is 18. So 72 divided by 4 is 18. All right, what you're going to do now on your own is you're going to use those base 10 blocks. You can use the online version or the ones in your classroom and complete page 46. Good luck.